Hi! Welcome to the unboxing and installation guide video of all new Arena Treadmill by BeatXP. Let us quickly move on to our next steps. When you receive the box, start by removing the bending and the lid. Before we start our installation, we recommend laying all the parts and checking them against the manual to make sure you are not missing any items. Step 1. Lift up the handrail. Step 2. Use the screws and washers to fix the both sides of tube. Step 3. Use the screws and washers to fix the both sides of handrails. Step 4. Screw on the fixed knob. Step 5. Screw on the tension knob. Step 6. Attach the safety key on the console. Step 7. Switch on the power button, and with this step, your BeatXP Arena treadmill is ready to use.